Breakfast is well known as the most important meal of the day, but you're a busy person and school starts so early. In the morning, I have the capabilities of a 6-year-old. So here's a delicious smoothie that even a child can make. I invited a couple of kids to demonstrate just how easy it is. Start with the orange juice. Pour it into the blender before the fruit for a smoother blend. Use frozen fruit so you don't have to add any ice. Start with some strawberries. Next, add some blueberries. Careful, they can stain clothes. And finally, throw in some raspberries. For that triple berry thrill, put on the lid, making sure it's sealed up tight. If it looks low on juice, go ahead and add some more. Every blender is a bit different. Just take a look at yours and try to find a smoothie function. If it doesn't have that, then ice crush or pulse will do too. Now it just takes a minute of patience while it blends. If your blender makes a funky sound or the contents inside stop moving, you probably just need to add a bit more juice. You usually don't have to hold the lid on, but feel free to if it makes you more comfortable or if you're using a really old blender. Smoothies make a great breakfast. They're healthy and you can drink it at home or bring it to school with you. It only takes a couple minutes to make, and like you just saw, it's so easy, even a 6-year-old can do it.